스티븐, 이 피자 맛이 어때요?
맛있어요.
그럼 이 수박은 맛이 어때요?
맛없어요. 달지도 않고 서요.
그러면 스티븐은 평소에 어떤 맛을 좋아해요?
저는 달콤한 맛 좋아해요.
Hi, welcome back to another episode of
남매.
Yay!
Where you get to learn how to speak Korean and hear us talk about all kinds of things revolving around the Korean culture and customs. So,
Yeah.
join the family and hit that subscribe button.
Please. Taste.
Taste in Korean is
맛.
mat. One of the things that I love about traveling is trying all kinds of foods from like wherever you're traveling to.
What do you think about Korean food?
I love Korean food.
It
Korean
is
food's
healthy,
really,
right?
really good. Yeah, I think that the ingredients used are fresh. Like a lot of the foods will be natural and really, really healthy.
Right.
Also, talking about Korean food, there are certain foods in Korea that I've never had back home.
예를 들어서 어떤 거?
Yellow little melon.
참외!
참외.
참외! 캐나다에 참외 없어요?
No, we don't have that.
Really?
Yeah, in Canada there's no 참외.
진짜? What do you think about 참외?
I'm not that big of a fan.
Okay.
Melon, I've never liked melon that much. So another one, maybe you can guess what it is. It's orange. And sometimes you eat it like really, really soft. Sometimes you eat it when it's like dried out.
귤?
Nope. And sometimes you eat it just like when it's hard too.
뭐지?
Persimmons. 감.
아, 감.
That's right, persimmons. Yeah, I've never seen persimmons back home.
아, 진짜?
Yep. I've noticed one thing in Korea that Korea really has foods that are dedicated to certain seasons
아.
and certain weathers. Like you'll always see like people during the
right.
summertime will eat 빙수 or 냉면,
그리고 겨울에는 또 호빵,
호빵.
붕어빵.
People on the side of the streets like selling like these like
Right.
and they're super cheap. They're so good. Sometimes they're filled with like the red bean
Beans or
paste in them.
슈크림.
And
like-
슈크림, yeah.
So Korea has really seasonal dishes.
Mat. What type of mats are there?
Okay, let's try
Okay.
달다.
달다.
That means sweet.
Sweet. Okay.
쓰다.
쓰다. Bitter.
Bitter.
매운맛.
매운맛. Spicy. 시다. Sour.
Sour.
Like lemon. 짜다.
짜다.
Salty.
Salty. Which one is your favorite? 어떤 맛 좋아해요?
짠 거.
짠 거. High five, me too. That's my favorite thing.
I love salty food.
Yeah, me too.
That's why I love American food.
Ah, really?
스티븐, 이 피자 맛이 어때요?
맛있어요.
그럼 이 수박은 맛이 어때요?
맛없어요. 달지도 않고 서요.
스티븐은 평소에 어떤 맛을 좋아해요?
저는 달콤한 맛 좋아해요.
스티븐, 이 피자 맛이 어때요?
맛있어요.
그럼 이 수박은 맛이 어때요?
맛없어요. 달지도 않고 서요.
스티븐은 평소에 어떤 맛을 좋아해요?
저는 달콤한 맛 좋아해요. No, what would be important for today?
I think the key word for today is taste.
Taste in Korean is
맛.
맛.
It is tasty means like 맛있어요.
You can say 맛 있어요.
있어요.
And 있어요. Haven't we seen that before? What is
Yeah.
있어요?
있어요 is like
There is.
there is, right?
Right?
There is tasty.
There
right?
is taste. That's right. And then what about if it's not tasty? It's not delicious.
맛 없어요.
없어요 meaning
There isn't.
isn't. So that's like super simple. 있어요. There is. 없어요.
없어요.
There isn't. You just put 맛.
맛.
맛
맛있어요.
맛있어요.
맛없어요.
맛없어요. How do we ask then? How is it? How is the taste?
맛이 어때?
맛이 어때?
맛이
Okay.
어때?
How is the taste of this pizza? How does it taste?
이
Alright.
피자 맛이 어때? 스티븐, 이 피자 맛이 어때요?
맛있어요.
그럼 이 수박은 맛이 어때요?
맛없어요. 달지도 않고 서요.
스티븐은 평소에 어떤 맛을 좋아해요?
저는 달콤한 맛 좋아해요.
So we can say 맛있어요 or 맛없어요. And we can put on 달콤해서 맛있어요.
아, 달콤해서 맛있어요.
맛있어요.
It's so sweet
Sweet.
that it's good?
Right.
Ah, okay. I see.
Or 너무 짜서 맛없어요.
What does 너무 mean?
Too.
너무 짜서
너무 짜서
맛없어요.
맛없어요.
What about it's too sour? It's not delicious.
너무 셔서 맛없어요.
맛없어요.
Okay, so that's it for today. We're gonna eat this one. So bye bye. I'm just kidding.
All right. Well, from us,
To you, 한국.
남매.
Bye bye.
Goodbye. 열공하세요.
열공하세요.